Hello and welcome to the tutorial series by Brainstorm Force. Today we're gonna discuss about Advanced Button, which is the newest feature added to the element list of Ultimate VC add-ons. It is an extension to the default button option provided by Visual Composer. Let's now have a look at the demo page I have created to demonstrate the variations used by our button element. Here you can apply various hover effects to your buttons. You can add shadows, animations, and on-click effects. So when you hover on your button, a CS3 animation is applied. Buttons can be given different borders when hovered on them. Icons can be added, which are used from our font icon manager, and different animations are given to the icons too, as well as different button sizes. Here you can see the sizes of the buttons are different. So now let's just summarize what makes a button element different. You can add CS3 animations, hover effects, font icons, 3D shadows, choice of Google fonts, any size or shape, as well as the border settings. Let's now head up in the backend and explore the backend options. Let's start with adding the advanced button. Click on Add Element, Ultimate VC Add-ons, and Advanced Button. That will give you the set of properties. We have extended the set of properties into different tabs that will add a part of advanced features for a button. So we'll go through it one by one in the later part of this tutorial. It also adds a row along with the element included that can be divided into various columns and placed according to its position on the web page. So now let's have a look at a particular element so that we can study the individual properties of the button and try out variations. The first tab includes the basic options you will be needing in order to create a button. You can add up a button text as well as a link, button alignment, left, center, right in the particular row that you have included your button into, button sizes, various options are given. Let me demonstrate that in the front end. Here we have different sizes for the button, small, medium, large, etc. And you can also give it a custom size by selecting the button width and height, as well as left right padding, which makes it easier to design. Button title color, that is the text color, the background color. So the text color as well as the background color can be selected. So basically the first tab includes a basic setup for a button. Now if you want the advanced option, you need to select the remaining tabs and fill out the options. So let's start with the background tab. This tab includes the effects on hover. So when a mouse will be hovered on the button, the background effect given from the list, like fade in, slide from left, from right, from center, etc., can be added over there. Button animation. Animation can be given to a button on hover. Here are the demonstrations. When a mouse is hovered, animation effect can be seen, like bouncing, fading up, etc. Button animations are different than the hover animation. Now hover background color can also be selected. So when a mouse will be hovered on the button, the background color will be changed. Like here, the background color changes on hover as well as the hover text color. You can also add a button background image. Let's demonstrate one. This image will be added in the backside of your button. So even if you want a stronger call to action on your website, this option can be useful. Let's move ahead to another tab. Icon. Text can be supported with an icon that can be chosen from the font icon manager, which will add up effects to your button. Font icon manager comes along with the default options along with some additional ones. Here you can add an animation to the icon specifically. So here we have given a list of options to choose from. So whenever you hover on your button, an icon will be shown with the provided animation, and you can check out for the live preview in the backend properties itself and select what suits you the best. And the icon color. Let's move to the next tab now. Border. Here two different border colors can be selected, one on the normal background and one for the hovered background. Border color, border width, radius, etc. If you want your button to be rounded, radius can be changed. Next tab, button shadow. Shadow on top, bottom, left, right are given. Choosing one will show you the extra options, and you can uncheck or check the on-click effect also. Here are different variations of shadows: left, right, top, bottom. Now the typography, you can select from the Google Font Manager that comes along with our Ultimate VC add-ons, and choose from currently available 600 plus Google fonts. Add to your collection, and the same will be shown over there. You can also select a font family and font size. And last one is the tooltip option. You can add a tooltip that will be shown when you hover on your button. So I'll just add up a text over here. So when you hover on your button, the tooltip will fade in, making your users to know more what the button will take them to. Let's have a look in the front end. The tooltip will now show up on the button with the text that we entered. So here you see the tooltip is visible on the button. In this way you can make your users know what the button takes them to. I hope that tutorial was helpful in understanding the newly added feature of advanced button in the list of Ultimate VC add-ons. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the button given below. Thanks for watching.